Tired of feeling drained? Struggling with low energy, poor stamina, or declining performance? It's time to rediscover your inner strength with the power of Shilajit, nature's ancient remedy trusted for centuries. Shilajit is a mineral-rich resin that oozes from the Himalayan rocks, formed over centuries by the decomposition of plant matter. Backed by modern science, it's now recognized for its incredible benefits for men's vitality, energy, and overall wellness. Clinical studies have shown that purified Shilajit significantly increases total testosterone levels in healthy adult men, helping to improve muscle mass, libido, and stamina. Packed with fulvic acid and over 80 minerals, Shilajit improves mitochondrial function, resulting in more energy at the cellular level. You'll feel it in your workouts, focus, and everyday drive. Research also indicates improved sperm count and motility with daily Shilajit supplementation, making it a powerful ally in male fertility. If you're ready to feel more energized, confident, and powerful, try Nutridome Shilajit. Crafted from high-quality, purified Shilajit to ensure maximum potency. Especially beneficial for men aged 45 to 55, it helps maintain healthy testosterone levels naturally, supporting your strength, stamina, and vitality as you age. Unleash your full potential with Nutridome Shilajit.